I'll be the one to light your fire if you want.